morning, student. Welcome back once again in your online science class. Student, as you know, I have starting the chapter number 9. Chapter number 9. Okay. So all of you open your science book, chapter number 9 and their exercise. Okay. So get ready to write and learn the exercise in your classwork copy. Okay. Open, student. Date 29th of December 2020, class 4 science. Today my topic, answer the following. Answer the following of chapter 9. Student, as you know, I am completing the 2 exercise of this section. Means the section number, student please wait, 8. But in the book there is given 7th, but it will be 8. 8. Okay. How does the embryo grow and develop inside an egg? Explain. So I have completed 1 and 2 question, and now I am going to explain about question number 3rd. What are the specific feature of mammals? Give any 4. Okay. So question number 3rd. Answer. The 4 specific features of mammals are: please wait, student. Already given in your last page of the topic. The 4 specific feature of mammal are: Page number 96 and 97. They give, okay, they give birth to young ones and suckle them, and suckle, 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 suckle them means that they feed their milk. Okay, they feed them with her own milk to their baby. Second, write down. They have hair on their body. They have hair on their body. Okay. They breathe through. They breathe through lungs. And fourth, write down. Well developed, DEVELO, well developed brain and SEN, sense organs. So there are four. You can simply split the answer number one. They give their birth to their young ones. They feed their milk to their babies. They have hair on their body. They breathe through lungs. Okay. Well developed brain and sense organ. They have, you can add, they have well developed brain and sense organ. Okay, write down, student. Question number 4. How do mammals take care of their young ones? How do mammals take care of their young ones? Okay, now I am going to explain the question number 4. Okay, student, write down. How do mammals take care of their young ones? How do mammals take care of their young ones? How do mammals take care of their young ones? You know, after giving the birth of their babies, they feed their own milk and protect them from the enemies, and also teaches them to how to find the food. Okay, so write down.
फोन नंबर है, देखिए पूछे तो आज आ रही नहीं, पापा तुम लोग को लेके जाएंगे घुमाने। भैया आ जाएंगे। After giving the young ones, after giving the
Okay. The birth. Okay, birth. 2. Student, given the birth to young ones. So at this, after giving the birth to young ones, they feed them with her own milk, comma, protect them against enemies, and also teaches them to find food. Write down only few lines. This is the last question answer of this chapter. Expand and horizon. Things and answer. Turtles and crocodile both are reptiles. How do they differ with respect to raising their young ones? Do they take care of their young ones? Crocodile generally take care of their young ones. Fish lay thousands of eggs at a time, but their number remains constant. Why? But their number remains constant. Why? Do all eggs develop into adult fish? No. Many of the eggs are generally eaten by the big fishes. Okay? And also destroyed by the current of the water. Okay? And all eggs do not develop into the adult fish. Put your heads together. Discuss. Discuss the way that humans protect and care for their young ones. Discuss. Discuss about your father and mother. About take care by them. Okay? Let us do activity. Collect picture of some animals who suckle their young ones. Paste them in your scrapbook. You know scrapbook? Make a scrapbook colored copy file and paste the animals that suckle their young ones. Suppose cow, goat, cat, dog. Okay, you can paste. So many animals that giving the birth to their young ones. In the rainy season, observe the stagnant water in a dish after rain. You will observe some small fish-like creatures swimming swiftly. These are tadpoles. Observe them to grow and develop into an adult frog and draw their life cycle in your scrapbook. You can draw a in a scrapbook, that is the life cycle of frog. Small cut a small square piece of the paper and draw a diagram of the life cycle of the frog and paste on accordingly step by step to adult frog in your scrap. Okay, you can also make the diagram in a chart paper. So this is the complete exercise of the chapter number 9, animals grow and multiplication. I hope students you are all complete this in your fair copy also. Okay, if you have any query you can contact to me after 1 p.m. and before 4 p.m. After the completing the online classes you can contact to me for any queries. Now I am explain the next topic in your next online class, chapter number 10, animals adaptation. In this chapter you will learn about the habitat of the different kinds of the animals and different kind of adaptation which are found in the different kinds of the animals in our surrounding. Okay. So write down today's homework. Write today's exercise of chapter 9 in fair copy and learn it. Okay. So write once again in your fair copy, and I will student given your notebook means fair copy on your next upcoming Friday. So send your parents to collect your copies. Okay, collect your copies. So student, so when you have no any fair copy, you can make the another fair copy. So make the two fair copy. For one week the correction work. Okay, otherwise you wait for 1 week. I will given you in this week on Friday. Okay, send your parents only. Don't come to school, student. Send only parents. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.